I thought I was changing one habit, and that had turned out to be a full-fledged war with myself and my habits. And I tell you today that how I changed one habit and it turned out a full-fledged war in my life. But I'm happy with it. What if I tell you that in 30 days you can change entire one habit of yours in your life? But only if that is for you yourself, not for any trend or any topic that is going viral these days. Not like that. Just change your habit, take one habit, and this is how it going to change. I'm going to tell you today how. So one thing, very clearly define what one thing that you want the most in your life. That could be fitness, but again, make your goal about yourself, not about something to impress others. Like you want yourself to be energetic, you want yourself to be fit and healthy. That's your goal. If you want abs and six-pack abs to show others, or you want to make a video about it, that's pleasing others. That is going to feel like work. You have to work, but on yourself, that will feel like something that you enjoy the most. Try to pick one habit in 1 month, okay, from the start of the month, maybe on the mid, but take 30 days a calendar and mark your day when you started it, and try to make one habit which will have a ripple effect on others. Like for example, if you want to pick fitness, you want to be fit, try to set your sleep cycle first. Set your sleep cycle. You're going to wake up at this time and you're going to work till this time, and you're going to sleep at this time. In between, what you're going to do is the another step. First, try to set your sleep cycle first. Okay, set your sleep cycle. You will exactly know how many hours of work you have and how many hours of work you can do. You know, the total hours you will get. Total sleep hours should be around 7 to 8 hours for a person who is in his 20s till his 40s, 50s maybe. 7 to 8 hours maximum of sleep you need. You know, that also can be a minimum of sleep of 7 hours maybe. But sleep well. That will freshen up your mind, body, repair some things in your body, and make your brain fresh for the second day. That's very important. Now the second thing is the fitness that you want. You know, for that you need good diet. I'm coming on the exercise at the last. Second is your diet. First meal of the day is the most important meal of the day. Most people skip that. That's very wrong. Don't do it. It's your life we are talking about. It might be tough for 30 days, but after 30 days, people will look up to you as a model, like a role model, like I should follow his routine. Look how fit he is or she is, you know, how active they are. They are full of energy. They are always smiling and happy about it, about life. They are so positive about life. Because you have changed, you have worked for yourself. Changing the first routine, waking up early and going to bed early, using less mobile, you know, screen time, and then your diet. First meal of the day means the breakfast, which is very important. Eat something very good and full of energy. You know, second meal of the day, lunch, a bit lighter, but it should be full of protein and everything. Then the third of the day meal of the day is dinner. I'm talking about the solid big dinner, 3-time meal, you know, dinner. It should be lighter than lunch, because you are going to bed now. You want your stomach to be a bit empty, to work less, because you are going to go into sleep, and all the body parts you have are going to go to a rest form. They are going to work like 30% or 20% of their daily routine while you are asleep. So make them feel free. Don't fill your stomach before going to bed and drink something or anything, then you go to sleep. Your stomach is consistently working. One thing more, motivate yourself. Tell yourself these things that you have written first month and or the first day, they're not negotiable. You're going to work on this whether you like it or not. You will like it, because if you have made the routine for yourself, you will like it. Because try to see the end goal, try to focus on the end goal and the results you will get from that. The energy you have not seen yet, the energy that will make you more focused person, more happier. You know, you will be happier in your relationships. You will take sound decisions. Just because you are physically and mentally healthy, that changes a lot in your life. And just try for it for 30 days and you will see the difference. If you can, try to break your plan in the weeks. You know, if you have planned this for 1 month, try to break it for 1 week and see after 3 days that what progress have you done. Have you followed the whole routine? If you are going through whole routine, perfect. If you have not, tried to implement those that you have left in the first 3 days, in the second half, the other 3 days. So divide for 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, and then divide the week into 3 days. Last you will remain 1 day. Take day as rest. Do whatever you want, but don't ruin your diet habits, or do something that will ruin the work of the first 6 days. Just be careful about that. And in 30 days you're going to be a changed person, and the person that is changed now, you will love yourself. That's something beautiful. I have done this, and I have been in this routine for about 4 months now, maybe more. But I'm very surprised. I'm literally telling you, I'm very surprised to know the decision power I have, the focus I have on my work. And I was like literally unable to go to the job, but I'm more focused on the job and a side hustle too now. So this makes every day for me as an achievement. That makes me happy every day. I don't need any external dopamine effect to make myself happy. I have that dopamine with me now. I'm more focused on my family, more focused on myself, my future. I'm a different man, and I want everybody of you to be that, feel that difference in yourself. And if you've seen this far, do subscribe and like and comment, because I'll know that people are getting help from this video and they're trying to change their lives too. And that is an achievement for me again, and for yourself as well. Write down what you want to achieve in the 30 days period. Write down what you want to achieve in the first week, second week, third week, and fourth week. And then after the diet, start your exercise as well. Keep your exercise. If you're going to gym, perfect. If you're not going to gym, keep your exercise 2 times, in the morning and in the evening. Maybe push-ups, sit-ups, chin-ups, whatever you that is feasible for you in the room or in the house you have. For a running or walk, that's perfect in the morning, especially before the breakfast. You wake up, you drink some water, you go for a quick walk or quick run, and then you come back, then you take a shower, and then you go for a breakfast. That's a perfect morning for me. Then you go for, cut down sugar as much as you can. I will not say just totally empty the sugar part, no, but cut down your sugar. If you're taking raw sugar in any form, just cut down that. And this is not good for your health. It will turn out the whole thing you're doing for 1 month, if you're not cutting your sugar down, not working on your diet, it will be just something that you're doing, torturing yourself. So don't do it. At the end of the 30 days, you will end up cursing yourself that this didn't happen, because you didn't do the work properly. That's why I said set your routine first, diet second, then go for the exercise part. That comes third. So I hope that you make a plan and pledge yourself that you're going to spend 30 days for changing one habit, and you'll see that ripple effect. And that one habit, the healthy habit you wanted, that the exercise you wanted, the diet you wanted, the routine you wanted, everything will have a ripple effect. You only wanted to have a healthy and energetic body. Hope to see you in another video. Take care.